In front of me I've got XIAOMI Mi 11T. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning enter Google app, tap More and go to Settings. Now enter Google Assistant, tap on Hey Google and enable this function. Now go back, tap on lock screen and also make sure this function is enabled. Now you can lock the screen and simply say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
There will be showers, with a high of 9 and a low of 4.
If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.